Okay, hear me out. You know that there are like 9 different skill sets that you develop to be able to put a book on Amazon, right? Like one skill set is keyword research. Another is cover creation. Another is like the interior book creation. I wanted to share this with you just to inspire you. Some of my members of my community have started doing this. They have started creating A plus content for self publishers. A plus content is something that is very overlooked. I'm going to show you some examples and we're going to talk about how you can monetize it to actually use self publishing as a service that you sell to others. Okay, so A plus content is essentially what you would build to create a sales page for your book. You can see this is a book listing, large print word search, stay positive for adults and seniors. It's making $21 a day. They have all their features. They have a good book description. A lot of people publish books and then they don't put their A plus content up. And what happens when you run ads is you have a lower click through rate, and you have actually lower sales. So we know that when you have a lot of impressions on a book and very little clicks, it's a cover issue. But if you're getting impressions and you're getting clicks, but they're not purchasing, you need to make sure that you have a book description and that you have your A plus content. So you can see here, this is from the publisher. This is like your company, your side hustle, where you're actually able to show them what's inside the book. And what this does is create the image in the customer's mind of them one step closer to having it in their hands. This shows the large print layout. It shows what we call a flat lay in photography when you lay out the inside of the book and you take a picture. Now, you could certainly buy an author's copy or buy it just from Amazon, bring it home, lay it on the ground, put some flowers around it here, use your cell phone. But there are lots of websites now that allow you to do it. And I'll show you some of those in this video. But I also just want you to take advantage of the opportunity that, like, if you're really good at this, you can start monetizing it. I have someone in my community, they charge $100 for A plus content, and they provide 5 to 7 different images for the self-publisher just to go and update this. Look at this Shira. I love it. Comic book. Okay. I am open to healing. So when you have A plus content, guess what? People stay on your page longer. Look at this. Collect them all. So it's a way to pull your books together if you don't have them built in a series. Let's actually see if this is, I don't think this is in a series. But that's a great way around it. We know like medium content, you can create series, but low content you can't. So if it has repeated pages, so if you had a book that, like a journal that matched the stay positive word search, then you could put these by each other. Okay. This is free. This doesn't cost anything. And you don't want to overlook the opportunity just to communicate visually to your customer a little bit more. Okay. So I wanted to share this with you because there are so many aspects to creating the book experience for the customer. And some of you might actually just like creating A plus content more. So let me show you a site and then we'll pop over into exactly how you would go about using this as a service. Okay, so this is Placeit, and I might have an affiliate link. I'm not sharing this for the affiliate commission. I'm sharing it to help you make more money on your Amazon KDP account or selling A plus content as a service. Inside of here, they have unlimited downloads for $7.47 a month. I believe when I signed up, there was a free account. You can see here at the top, it says free account. So let me type in book mockup so you can get an idea of like what Placeit offers. Now, here's the important aspect of creating A plus content. You need to make your A plus content look very close to the actual book. So if you have a coloring book, you probably would not want to use this mock-up because this is a hardcover book standing, has a thick spine, okay? But if you have something like that, it's great. Look at the similar templates. That would be perfect to put your coloring book and others right behind it. So you get to upload your book cover as a PNG or a JPEG, and you can put multiple books here. And that is a way to advertise multiple of your books without, if you can't leverage the series option, or you have them under different categories. Okay. So you can be able to give them that visual. Also, I have a couple members that have been selling books in bulk. And if that's happened to you one time, please, please, please come over to Placeit and put your coloring book here, your journal, your planner, the prompted journal, whatever it is, put it in here and upload the image 3 times and put this on your A plus content so the customer sees, oh, people buy this in bulk. Okay. It is also okay to put that on your book description that this makes a great gift. Grab a bunch. Okay. You absolutely can do that type of marketing on here. Okay. Let me go back one to show you just some of the other options here. I'm going to go back to book. And once you have access to this, like you pay that $7 or $8, you have unlimited access to so many different things. Okay. So be thoughtful about this, because I have members that are making more than one book royalty just by creating A plus content as a service. Okay. And so if you have a Canva account, you can even set up a sales page in Canva. You can sign up for a Stripe account, and you can have a sales link where people can pay you to do that. You can set up a PayPal account, and you can deliver through email. You don't need a big setup. You don't need a crazy website to get started. All you need to do is be able to create nice A plus content. And many of you are already doing that, right? Because you have learned the multiple skill sets it takes to have a book sell or to even upload a book, right? And so for those of you that are like, this would be fun to add to my book publishing income, think about charging for A plus content. There are people that absolutely despise it, and they will pay to have someone else do it for them. Okay. Now, when this happens, typically you have that agreement of a non-disclosure agreement where if an artist or a designer is creating A plus content for you, you both agree that they're not going to copy your work or copy your books. Okay. We don't promote that. We don't advocate for that. We want you to be able to have a niche that you can do well in. And all of the people that I know that offer A plus content, they have their own profitable niche and they love A plus content. So they offer it on the side. So let me know if you would like a series of taking certain skill sets of self-publishing and monetizing them. Just like we've talked about, making additional income from this self-publishing skill set. Please like and subscribe as you're on this journey. And we are uploading as many tutorials and feedback to help you get your quick wins. When I say we, it's me when my kids are not sitting next to me or me and my husband are not working on a project. So love you guys. See you in the next video.